Okay, gang, I have a Blade 350 QX3. All right, maybe you do too, and if you do, well, this may be for you. I didn't buy their camera, the what is it, CG02. I did get my own servo, the Walkera G-2D, and I've had the GoPro for a while. My problem wasn't so much getting power to the servos on this thing, because you can find videos about that everywhere, and thank you to those people who have posted those. I've just done as they did, used the plug that comes with the blade, and then connected it to the leads that then will power the unit. Okay, I hope that you can get a clear enough shot of how I did that. Keeping black to black, red to red, white is not used. Okay, so now that you've seen the power, oh yes, and make sure this is very important, that you don't move that plug back and forth. It should be, you see how there is a notch on this side of the plug, the black one? Make sure that you get that side. So the black is at this end of that plug. Otherwise, bang, you don't want that. Okay, how did I get the pitch control done? This is hard to find on the web. There are two sets of 3 pins back here inside the blade. They occupy, at the manufacturer, they occupy the the forwardmost group of 3 with 2 wires, just 2. Those 2 white ones are plugged in there. There are 3 open pins back here. Now it looks like, because I'm not getting a very good shot, it looks like there are 2 plugs being used here. There's not. This over here is electrical tape wrapped around my connection. This part of black right here is the actual plug on pin number 3 at the rear. So that's 1, 2, 3 at the rear. That is what's going to give your signal to the servos for pitch control. So that wire I fed around and then down the right leg. Okay, so then, as you can see, I've connected it to pin number 1 at the bottom. Okay, which, by the way, is pitch, P-I-T. I don't need roll control, I don't think, anyway. Maybe later, not right now. Now, how does it work? Turn on your unit. There we go. And then turning on the other unit. Now, here's where it starts to look really wacky. Give it a few seconds to power up. The camera is going to go weird. Pull this control back, or that switch back rather. Now watch the camera as we go back on the joystick. Okay. It's a very dampened movement, which is what we want. I'm just pushing forward a little bit to get the camera to line up a little better, and that's it. It's done. Oh, too much. Very tricky to get done. Okay, once again, if I do this, it's going to come all the way up, even though I've let go. If I do this and let go slow or delayed, like, it'll go all the way down. And then go like that. Should pretty much even out. Okay, I hope that helps you all.